monkey. To whoever may find this monkey has ruined my life and made me lose my mind. P.S. Burn immediately and do not remove ban. Cheeto wants to wrote that. Just don't remove the ban. Whatever. It's stuck on there. What's going on here? We got a monkey now. Dude, Dre, look what I found, dude. I found a monkey. I found a monkey, man. That's cool. Check that out.
Is that the dollar store?
No, I found it here. I had a note about some guy going crazy and do not remove his band from its arm. I don't know how to react to it. Like, he's playing Dido.
Yeah, right.
Kind of freaking me out. See, look what I'm talking about. And then it stares at you.
Hey, stop! You stop! Get out of here, dude.
Dude, I'm so done with this monkey. Let's go, Dre.
Dude, hold on, Grady's got it now. What'd you get here, monkey? Should be quiet, huh? Your batteries in some or something? Look at that. I gotta be tough. Oh, God. I can't cry. Everything's gonna be fine. I gotta be alright. I gotta be good. God. I've been hiding here, down on these bleachers, hoping the monkey won't find me. It's dark, it's cold. I forgot my toothbrush. God, I don't know where it's at. Oh God, oh God. The monkey's been everywhere, like, no one's seen Dre in a week. Disappeared. I don't know what to do anymore, that monkey's everywhere. He's in here. Ah! Ah! No!